What are you doing, Dan?
Man, working.
You know,
catching up after SEMA. That's what's happening.
You know what time it is?
Is it vlog time?
It is. Come on.
All right. Let's go vlog, people. We're back. We're doing it. This is Kendrick behind the camera. I don't know.
What's up?
He is our new media guy, and we are so freaking happy to have him. What do you think, Ed?
So excited.
What did you come up here to talk to me about? Something important?
I wanted to tell you that I was going to go drive this green SEMA.
Sweet. Oh yeah. Everything good with it?
No one drove it.
Oh, while we were gone?
Yeah.
We went to SEMA and nothing got, I'm just kidding. No, a lot got done, but showroom, I don't know. We've got a bunch of wheels. They're not for sale, people. Stop asking us. We need them for all these cars that we're about to show you. But we've got the 180, we've got the Leopard, we've got the Mark II, we've got the blue SEMA. We have up on the road, we've got the Prado, the Surf. We've got another Broham, and then we've got a couple cars on just arrived for sale. So we got a bunch listed right now, which is good for us because most of the time it's like 2 or 3. We just got tint done on the Celsior. This is another new one we just got in, but this thing's rad. It's leather interior. It's really dirty because we haven't really done anything with it yet, but super cool. I love leather. UCF 21, I think. But yeah, I don't know. What's out here? I don't know. I haven't been here in a week. So we've got this red RX-7. This is one of Daniel's buddies ended up buying this. It's 2J swapped. I think Daniel's just kind of checking it out for him. I'm not really sure what's happening, kind of after hours thing. But once we kind of get it sorted, we can show you around it because it's super rad. But let's go see what's going on in the back. I don't know. I've been in my office for 2 days. Let's see here. All right, so it looks like Daniel is getting some coilovers installed on here. And some new brakes. You see BC's in here. This is a V8 Y33 SEMA. I think this one has the leather interior, right? Yeah, so this one's leather interior. It's got the rear seats that fold out, which is rear reclining rear seats. It's just so gangster. So I love these cars. They're super comfortable. We've got Vanessa's Prado, or not Prado, wow, Land Cruiser. It's a turbo diesel. It's really nice. So Cody's finishing detailing. Like, the engine bay of this one is really pretty. It's got like a brand new AC compressor, and it's just super clean. So underneath, like, the chassis is spotless. It's pretty wild. Yeah, we put some new tires on it. Cody's kind of getting after the detailing, paint correction, and all of that stuff. This is getting shipped out soon. And then, so outside here, but he is coming to pick it up this weekend, and he is driving it literally all the way across the country to California. So he's gonna have to learn the car real quick. But no, it's sweet, drives great, and it's gonna look great too. Once we get it all cleaned up, oh my goodness. This is Caden, everybody. We've been gone from the vlog so long that like nobody knows anybody. Yeah. So Cody's in the detail booth, Daniel. So we have 2 Dans now at the shop, which is really confusing. This is Caden. He started what, like 2 months ago?
Yeah, like 2 months
ago.
Love it.
Okay, cool. So we got SEMA Y33. This is dark blue. It's not actually black. It's dark blue.
It's a Kaima. It's a Y33, and we're going to put wheels and coilovers on it. So we need to put wheels on it.
Yeah, let's
Yeah,
go pick out
we're
some
gonna
wheels.
we're gonna stance it up. So we need to pick out wheels.
Some aggressive wheels. Because these SEMAs can
This was already rolled when we bought it.
Nice.
Yeah.
Fancy.
Yep.
Okay. Cool. All right, well,
Because
let's
it
go.
had coilovers on the front,
Yeah.
Well,
but
that's
not
because
on the
you
rear.
can't.
You can't get more parts.
Alright, Chris, which one are you picking? Because me and Ed already know what we're putting on it.
You guys think you've already picked this?
We've already figured it out,
figured
dude.
it out, bro.
We know.
I bought these wheels with a Y33 SEMA in mind.
Yeah.
That's your choice right there?
Yep, those are the ones right there.
The thing is, it's dark blue and those center caps are red.
Yeah, red, white, and blue,
and
baby.
red don't really go
It's
together.
America.
So what do you want, Chris?
I mean, I kind of like these right here because this gray would go with the bottom of the two tones.
It would, but they're not as aggressive as far as sizing.
They're not as aggressive.
So
I
it
mean,
would
plus
be
it's like
harder
a
to
step
fit.
lip. This is a nice, normal lip.
Didn't we say we were going to put those gray ones on something else?
Yeah, we were gonna put them on a two-tone bro. That's what we were gonna do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
All
those
right.
wheels are already
Hey,
on
I'm.
two-tone brown now.
Yeah, we got other wheels
I
on
mean,
there.
can we put those on a silver car?
Silver or anything two tone with the gray that would really.
They work good on a Celsius too,
Yes. It would.
especially with the brakes. They look really good on a Celsius.
Yeah.
As long as they clear the brakes.
Yeah. Well, they got a big back pad, so they should. It's a little spacer.
I mean, I really like these Carlsons too, but I really like these as well
Well, those have to go on a Y33C.
because how wide they are.
They're how wide they are and what the offsets are.
They're big boy sizes,
Okay.
and that's a V8 freaking Y33 SEMA. Like those are the wheels that
Let's
need to
go
go
with
on.
those. Let's
All
do
right.
it.
So I think too.
That's what's going on there.
Good.
Perfect.
We got our way in the end, Ed.
What? What wheels are these? What's the name
They're
of them?
Work LS 503s.
503s. Okay. So I'm just gonna put blue SEMA on there, and we'll just let them know.
Boom.
Okay.
Yeah, these are hot.
That's how we.
Quick polish.
That's how we pick the wheels. We battle it out, and I usually lose. And sometimes I get my way, but I like these anyway.
Okay.
That's what I'm scared of.
I like them a lot actually, so they should work really well.
What are you gonna do, Ed?
A nasty burnout. We got some old nasty tires. Let's see how old these things are. That's from 2003.
Perfect.
Yeah, this is from 2003 too. So it's probably gonna stink. It's like 20-year-old rubber. But yeah, so this thing came in and it wouldn't go past like 3,000 RPM driving it. Like if you free revved it, just like sitting there in park, just barely on the throttle, you could get it to redline. But like as soon as you stomped it, So I checked the codes and I found a traction control system. And I was like, oh, the traction control's kicking on. So I chased my tail around with that for a while. and eventually checked the fuel pressure, and the fuel pressure like just fell off as soon as you hit the throttle. So I pulled the fuel pump, and there's this little piece of black rubber hose that goes in between like the fuel pump and the metal hard lines, and it was split and just like disgusting. So fixed that, put a new pump in it because I didn't trust that pump, and now she runs great.
Now she's able to do burnout.
That's so cool.
We did the thumb shit. It smells so good.
Yeah, I know. It smells so good.
No, we can't. We're professionals.
Just say you gotta put a caution in the front of the big disclaimer. Do not try this at home. We're trained professionals.
Do not panic! Do not panic! We are trained professionals!
Right? We're trained professionals.